Whether it's beef cattle or dairy cattle, all cattle need water. Ritchie brings you fresh water on demand. Ritchie, proud to be a partner to the American cattleman since 1921.
Hello, I'm Marcus Brix with the CattleFax Closing Bell, brought to you by Ritchie Watering Systems. The Fed cattle cash market is now 2 weeks past its third largest price decline in the last 40 years. Sparked by the catalyst of a beef plant closure in Iowa, fueled by overweight cattle and a heavy front-end Fed supply, the cash market lost value for 7 weeks straight. Although some have called the problem cattle were located in the north, the price declines were felt nationwide. Interestingly, even though this year has been volatile, the regional cash spread between Kansas and the Corn Belt has stayed mostly seasonal. The 2015 cash market highs were made in the second week of January. Historically, at that time of year, fed cattle in the south trade on a par basis with the north. This year, the average Kansas cash steer price was only 4 cents per hundredweight over the Iowa-Minnesota cash steer price. At the market low, Kansas cash steers were 29.2% lower than the January high on average. The Iowa-Minnesota cash steer price was 31.4% lower in the same week. At the low, Kansas steers were $2.43 per hundredweight higher than Corn Belt steers. The 5-year average premium for the same week was $1.06, not too out of line given the supply issues in the north. However, now that the market has started to rebound, Kansas is seeing more interest in cash sales, allowing for better negotiated prices. Instead of the $1 per hundredweight premium typical for last week, Kansas traded on average $5.71 higher than the Corn Belt. Kansas traded on average $1.62 per hundredweight higher than Nebraska. While it appears most of the problem cattle are behind us, USDA reports still show evidence of heavy carcass cattle delivered in the north. Unless weights show better signs of stabilization, the South could potentially retain a cash premium over the North through year-end. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. The pressures are real, the risks are high, but the opportunities have never been greater. So how do you sort through it all to decide which way to go? For more than 40 years, CattleFax has led the way. Become a member at www.cattlefax.com. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Our team is impartial, objective, our vision is global, and our focus is you. CattleFax, the deciding factor.